Welcome to Southern Screen & Pools, where dreams of the perfect backyard oasis become a reality. My name is Josh, and I want to thank you for stopping by. Let me tell you about our services. As a state-certified contractor, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch craftsmanship and unparalleled service in every project that we undertake. We're not just a company, we're a family-owned and operated business, and the commitment to excellence runs deep in our roots. Whether you're envisioning a stunning swimming pool or a cozy screen enclosure to enjoy the outdoors, my team is here to turn your ideas into reality. And best of all, our estimates and design services are absolutely free. We believe in transparent pricing and collaborative design, ensuring that you're fully satisfied every step of the way. But our expertise doesn't stop there. From outdoor kitchens to whole home generators, we offer a comprehensive range of services to enhance your outdoor living space. With our complete turnkey solutions, you can relax and every aspect of your project is taken care of from conception to completion. So if you're ready to transform your backyard into the ultimate retreat, type your information in below for your free consultation, and I'll personally reach out to you and we'll set up an appointment to speak with you. Thanks.